Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Today video is very interesting. Today I am going to show you how NAS Academy teach various type of courses. NAS Academy teach various field. Either it is business, either it is story writing, either it is whether it is TikToker or YouTuber, everything. Now I am going to show you today Ritesh Agarwal NAS Academy courses. Ritesh Agarwal, CEO of Oyo Hotel, and in this video you can see the courses in detail, everything in detail, and here is a surprise for you also that when you join this course by my referral link, then you will get 20% discount also, that I will mention this in last of the video. Let's get start. I will start showing you from the course, and WhatsApp chat also there, how a student can learn from this course. This is fantastic course. Let's get start. Guys, you can see over here is every course that you want, or that you want to become. Either you want to become YouTuber, either you want to become CEO, marketer, or want to convert just idea into $1 billion company, you can come here, learn here. And this is amazing interestingly course. I also start learning from here how to convert idea into $1 billion company from Ritesh Agarwal. You can also come and start learning from here. This is amazing course. Here you can get lifetime access of recorded video, WhatsApp link, whether you can communicate with people, your mentor, Zoom class, everything, assignment, everything is here. You can see the course that I'm going to see you. You can become effective memory hacker or creator, or everything you want to become or passion you should do. Let's get start. I show you login, teach, partner. If you already assigned this course, then you can join by login. Here you can see I am going back, and now I am going to show you how you can chat with WhatsApp group link with your classmates, with your batchmates, and the mentor is also over there who guide you how to discuss with your partner. Let's get start. I am going to show you WhatsApp chat. Hey guys, so here you can see the group. I is in web 2 group 5. Here is group 128 participant. 128 participant is here, and similar type you can also uh, get from when you start learning from this course. And let's I am going to the group, how people discuss each other. So people discuss each other like this. You should discuss your business idea, and everybody business idea dealing here is done. Let's get start this.
Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing well. My name is Vijay Loyston. I'm currently based in the Kingdom of Bahrain. However, my company is registered in Bangalore. My company is Lint West, stands for Link, Network and Invest. We basically introduce investors to promising Indian startups, and we facilitate the investment process.
Guys, here you can see everybody so on business idea, and comment is there. Okay, and mentor is also here, which guide you. And this is amazing course. If you want to enroll in this course, then link is in description. You can go from the link that I given in the description. If you get 20% discount, if you want to get 20% discount, then you should definitely go to my link, because the funda is basic. When you join the course and when you refer to your friends, then your friends get 20% benefited, and you will also get 20% commission from this. So I join this course, so I refer link. And if you want to join this course, then you should go from my link, because you will get 20% discount on the course, and I will also get a small benefit from this to support us. And once you when joining the course, then you also refer to your friends, and you can also earn money from this course also. So this is amazing course where you can earn money, or where you can convert idea into $1 billion company. How to teach, this is amazing fantastic course. So you should also join this.